Good afternoon. This is Dr. Mubin Sheikh, consultant homeopath at Medipatnam, Hyderabad. Today we will learn something about thyroid gland. Thyroid gland is an endocrine gland which is located in front of your neck, below the larynx. It is a butterfly-shaped gland which has two lobes, a right lobe and left lobe. The function of thyroid gland is to secrete the hormone T3 and T4. It also produces the same hormone. The thyroid gland has the function of controlling the metabolism of your body. It has the effect on your breathing system, your digestion, your brain development and growth. It has a main important role which play is in your BMR or metabolism rate. When the thyroid gland is under stress due to some reason, the diseases which are caused by that are hypothyroidism and hyperthyroidism. Hypothyroidism is most common in females as compared to males. In hypothyroidism, it is also called as underactive gland, in which the amount of hormones like T3 and T4 are reduced or less produced in the body by thyroid gland, due to which the metabolism of your body becomes slow. Metabolism is the process by which your food is converted into the energy. Another disease is hyperthyroidism, also called as an overactive gland, which produces large amount of hormone T3 T4, due to which the metabolism of your body is very high. The symptoms of hyperthyroidism are propping of your eyes, decrease in the weight, and breathing fast, breathing high heart rate, high pulse rate. These are some of the symptoms of hyperthyroidism. And in hypothyroidism, the patient becomes dull, slow, less active, not interested in daily work. These are the few symptoms. And another thing is thyroid goiter, which is not so very common, but is a goiter. It is a swelling of your thyroid gland, which is developed because of inflammation of the gland. Due to the deficiency of the iodine, the gland itself enlarges in the search of the hormone iodine, and which is seen in the form of goiter or nodule. Now, what is the role of homeopathy in this? The homeopathy can cure hypothyroidism, hyperthyroidism, and goiter. We take into consideration the complete mind, body, and soul axis. What are the situations of the patient? What is the nature of the patient? What we individualize the person, and accordingly the medicine is given. So there are different medicine for different persons, even the disease is same. Thank you.